Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. This is a 2015 Sundowner Sante Fe. This is a 6907, so it's 6'9" wide, 7 tall, 7-foot short wall, full living quarters, all aluminum. White in color, no graphics. It has a stainless nose. It has 2 batteries, 2 propane tanks. It does have an escape door. It does have the drop down windows with bars. It does have aluminum wheels. This side of the trailer, there are no issues, scratches, or scrapes, dents on this side. It does have a rear ramp that folds up. It has a collapsible rear tack, 3 saddle bars, saddle racks, and bridle hooks. It does have a lower divider. It does have a telescopic last divider. It does have roof vents. It does have a walk-through door. The horse box is in great shape. It has one little spot here. That's pretty atypical. A couple kick marks and a little bit of the rubber is torn there at the bottom. Other than that, no other issues in the horse box. The dividers do not have padding on them, so no padding on the dividers. Sliders on the rear. So this is a 7-foot short wall, so it's pretty compact, but it has absolutely everything you need. The bathroom's actually a really good size. It's actually maybe an 8-foot. This may be a 7308, or not 73, 6908. It's a 7 or 8-foot short wall. That's gonna make it a 21, 22-foot box. Just kind of stepped it off and came up with 7. So that's kind of where I'm at. It does have an awning with a cover on it, a big awning. Actually, that awning is pretty much the whole size of this trailer, side of this trailer. It does have a fixed step up to the camper door. So on this side, I want to point out it does have a dent here. So it does have a dent on the nose. It's really the only place on this trailer that I can note that it has an issue. So everything else is in great shape, cosmetically. So stepping up in the LQ, this is a couch that makes a bed. It does have cabinets above the couch. Cabinet to your left. It does have a cabinet door behind those 2 pillows there. It does have a hookup for a TV. I'm just going to show you a little bit of damage here. They put something on the wall. Let me get out of the zoom. They put something on the wall and the screw holes kind of came back out. So only damage in the interior. Radio does have a propane furnace, and it does have an air conditioning unit. Try to give you the floor space. Try not to make you sick here. Has a rear kitchen, small fridge, 2-burner gas top stove, microwave. It does have a sink. This particular trailer has a actual door to the bathroom. So an actual door to the bathroom. Like I said, the bathroom's a great size. It's got a squared off shower. It's got 2 cabinets here in the corner for storage that have lights that light up with a hanging bar. Walk-through door. Sink and vanity. So this would be a 2015 Sundowner, full LQ, has everything you need. Kind of compact, but yet has everything. Like I said, they put some nice hooks here, All right, to recap, 2015 Sundowner 3-horse, 6'9" wide, 7 tall, all aluminum, pretty clean trailer, only a few issues that I told you about. This is Carolina Trailer Sales, and the best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. We will have this trailer up on our website soon. If you have any questions, you're welcome to reach out. You guys have a great day.